Ladies and gentlemen, my family took our last shot as a cohesive Libre Fernandez kind of situation, okay? This is the last dance we're doing all day. It's perfect only because everyone's eating as if it's the day of. This is the provider of the... Explain what it is. Okay, so we are in the mood, you know, we've been eating, we've been merry, so it reenacts exactly how it's going to be Saturday, June 7th at approximately 8:40 p.m. We are bleeding, we are tired, we are just sweating bullets. And you know, the one thing I have to say in the ultimate filming of this preparation is T represent the Cat's Pajamas.
Cat's Pajamas!